Hi, this is Niels. In this video, I'm gonna cover how to set up TikTok pixel on your Shopify store. I will complete the project within 4 steps. Step 1. Create TikTok pixel. Step 2. Place the base code into website header. Step 3. Add tag template and set up TikTok events. Step 4. Test and publish the container. Go to TikTok event manager, wave event, click manage, set up wave event, choose a TikTok pixel, giving a meaningful name. Here I am giving my store name, Jen Smart. Click next. Manually install pixel code. Click next. Select custom code. Click next. We will get a pixel base code. Copy pixel code. Go to Shopify admin panel. Click online store. Click 3 dot. Edit code. Click here. Place the base code. Save it. Go to Shopify. Go to TikTok event manager. Turn on automatic advanced matching. Click next. Click events. Click manage. Here you can see our TikTok pixel created successfully. Our first and second step done successfully. In this stage, I will add tag template and set up TikTok events. Go to Google Tag Manager. Click new. Select. Google Tag Manager template gallery. Type TikTok pixel. I added the template before, so in this stage I need choose the template. I will create a pixel ID variable. Click plus. Select constant variable. Need a pixel ID, will get it. Event manager. Copy the pixel ID. Paste it here, giving a meaningful name, TikTok pixel ID. Save. Select view content event. I need to add some variable. I added all these variables before. In this stage, I just select all of them. Select email variable. Add phone variable. External ID, I just skip it. Click object property. Select the content ID variable. select product, add content name variable, add price variable, add quantity variable, currency variable, add value variable. Here I am selecting price, select description variable, giving a meaningful name, that is TikTok view content tag. Trigger it with view item, save. Click new, add TikTok pixel, select the TikTok pixel ID, select add to cart event, select the email variable, select the phone variable, click object, select content ID variable, select product, select content name variable, select price variable, select quantity variable, select currency variable, select price variable, select description variable, giving a meaningful name TikTok, add to cart tag. Trigger it with add to cart trigger and save it. Need to add some more event. Click new, select TikTok pixel, select the TikTok pixel ID, select initial checkout event, select email variable, select phone variable, select click object, add content ID variable, select product, select content name variable, select price variable, select quantity variable, select currency variable, select price variable, select description variable, giving a meaningful name TikTok checkout tag. Trigger it with checkout trigger. Save it. Need to add on more events. Click New. Select TikTok Pixel. Add the Pixel ID. Select Place an Order event. Add email variable. Add phone variable. Click Object. Add content ID. This content ID should be purchase content ID. P for purchase. Select product. Content ID name should be purchase content ID name. Select value variable. Select quantity variable. Select currency variable. Select value variable. Select description variable. Giving a meaningful name, TikTok purchase tag. Trigger it with TikTok. Trigger it with purchase trigger. Save it. In this stage, I will test TikTok Pixel working or not, then publish the container to see the TikTok result. Need to add an extension, TikTok Pixel Helper. Add it to your Chrome browser. Go to Google Tag Manager, click Preview. It takes time. Connect. Here you can see base code fired. That means TikTok Pixel working. Page view event fired. Select a product. Here you can see view content, event was working, all the parameter, content ID, content type, content name, price, currency, value, description showing here. Click add to cart. Add to cart event also fired. Content ID, type, content name, price, value, currency working. Select cart. This is my demo Shopify store. There is no checkout page. Cart page we consider as a checkout page. Here you can see checkout event also fired and sending the event parameter. Click checkout. Filling all the information. Connect to payment. This is my Shopify basic plan, so there is no payment method. It's a demo payment method. Filling the information. Pay now. Purchase done. Here we can see place an order event fired. That means purchase event fired. All the parameter sending the data, and also send customer information parameter, email and phone number. Go to tag assistant, click purchase, tag fired, see more. Here you can see all the data showing here. Go to event manager, all the event active, add to cart, initial checkout, place an order, view content, submit, publish, giving a meaningful name, TikTok Pixel, continue. Our project done successfully. If you get any help from this video, please do subscribe my channel, and waiting for the upcoming video. Thanks for watching.